time and wide awake. Panda said, let's bake a cake. He grabbed his whisk and flour sack with berries piled in a giant stack. Panda bakes a cake, oh yum, mixing batter with his thumb. Sprinkles fly and frosting flows, what a treat, the kitchen glows. He stirred with care, then gave a shout. The timer's in, now no one pout. The oven beeped, the smell was sweet. He danced around on happy feet. Panda bakes a cake, oh yum, mixing batter with his thumb. Sprinkles fly and frosting flows, what a treat, the kitchen glows. He shared a slice with Fox and Bear, with cookie hearts and extra care. They laughed and cheered and gave a cheer. Best cake we've had all year. Panda bakes a cake with love, soft and fluffy, light as a dove. One more slice, yes, make it two. We'll bake again with Panda soon.